पणजे लायटीचे तसेच इंटरनेटाचे केबल सोरपा वरवीं लांबतात. सोरोवपाक जसे लोक भियेतात तसोच हे केबल केन्ना जीव घेत असो भंय जावन रावला. लायटीचे खांबे आनी झाडाचेर हडबडीत हे केबल उरल्यात. कांय केबल तुटल्यात पूण चालू आसात. देखून वायट घडणूक ह्या केबलां खातीर जावं येता. समाज दवरपी सिसील रॉड्रिगीसान ह्या गजालीचेर तिडक उक्तायल्या.
आयज आमी सांतिनेज चर्चा कडेन आहा, जस्ट बँक ऑपोजीट द चर्च. आनी म्हाज्या फाटल्यान तुमी पळयलात जाल्यार एक लायट पोल आसा आनी थिंगा जायते केबल वायरी अशे लूज सडला. तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता की हिंगा सतला इतले लूज आसा. जायते आमचे स्कॉलाचे भुरगे पासून न्हू पासार जाता. पयले पासून म्हाका जायते कंप्लेनी म्हाका मेळलेले सांगता की बाबा लोकांनी कॉपरेटराक सांगलेले की मातशें क्लीन करात कित्याक भुरगीं people, young children are getting stuck and they are falling and they are playing around in this area because they find it fun. But this is totally unsafe and it is the responsibility of the operator to make sure that this is taken care of. Also, secondly, I would like to request all the people who have cable connections. See, we all have cable wires in our house, but we do not have it displayed like this. We either have a small box and all our wires are put inside, which makes it look neat. Why can't such provision be done all over Panjim, where a small box is being given to all the cable contractors so that it can be kept neatly and also the children and people passing by do not get affected or get stuck for whatever reason it is. So this is a responsibility of the operator, the mayor, as well as the cable contractors, whoever have got cabling work around, to please keep in mind the safety for the people and also being the capital city of Goa. This looks very, very shabby. I think so it's our responsibility right now to act on it ASAP and make it look more presentable being the capital state of Goa.